Hello and good day, guys. This is another pair which is USDCAD. This is a very popular pair in, among a lot of forex traders. So let's analyze it, and we will do it from the beginning today with a fresh perspective because I have seen some new thing here. So I would like to inform and update you guys about this. So this is the actual range. It is moving for a long time. Let's mark it with a black line so it doesn't match with any other lines we use for our other time frames. So this is the place, this is the thing actually happening, and if we see, we can see very clearly there is a double top here and double bottom here in monthly time frame. And if we would like to draw them, we can draw it like this. This is the double bottom we have. So make it red like this. I will try my level best to finish the video within the quickest possible time. Hope it doesn't take that much time. So this is the double bottom we have, and make it red here also. And on the top side, if we move again, and this is a very big zone we have to cover, my dear. Very big zone. This is a double top we have here. And here, if we cover this guy into red now, and also this is the zone. So that's it for the monthly time frame we have here, and we will mainly concentrate now in this zone. This is very vital for us to see because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 months it is operating here in this zone. So again, let's mark this zone first with the black line, and mark it again. The bottom side is it. This is the thing. Okay. Now, if you guys see that if we measure the length from here to here, the middle will be somewhere here. Let's do it to find out the depth of the market and 50% of that, and where do we stand in current comparing line. This is the middle line actually. So let's mark it in red for the time being so we can understand what is going on. And I will mark it in red now. So this is the middle line. It's a dashed line. This is the middle line. Okay. Now our primary concentration will be here today. So if we see there is a double top here forming, but this is the candle for November until 30th November. We cannot declare this as a double top. On the flip side here, we don't have any double bottom, anything in monthly time frame. Let's move to weekly time frame now, and you can see that in weekly we have a double top here, very clear. Okay, you guys can see considering this. So if we increase the size, and let me come back in month and try to visualize these guys in week. Otherwise we lost the perspective of the zone we are operating. Okay, so this is the zone. Okay, so if we move to weekly now, and we can see that we have a double top here. Can you guys see very clearly? We have a double top. Okay, and mark it in different colors so we understand where do we stand, and change the black now to this color, and define the range at the same time somewhere here, and fill this up. So this is our double top. On the other side, if we see that we have a double bottom here. Can you guys see red green, these two guys, red green and red green? So we have a double bottom in weekly time frame also. So let's mark the double bottom here, this green guy, and this is our range. Let's move it up to this level. Okay, and change it to the color as required, put it back. This is the range we have. So now if we measure the depth of this market, now we can see that the depth of the current range, the primary concentration we are giving is this is half of it. So let's mark the half of it, and this is the half, and we put it as a dashed line. Now if you see that the price, this was the low which created this top, and this top the market tried to push it up, created this double top, and here we have some significant observation which put me in new perspective. First of all, you can see that there is a break of change of character here. Once this red candle broke the shadow here, it is a change of, I think I should give it a little bit. Okay, so this is break of its change of character happened here. And next, if you can see also that there is a change, a break of its structure here. This is the first structure which has been broken here, or you can say a support or something like this. It has also been broken last week. And if we also concentrate that, we can see that we have a double bottom here. Can you guys see? Let me show you. This is red and this is green, this is red and green, so we have a double bottom here. Okay guys, this green and this green. So let's mark it in week. We have a double bottom here. This is a very big range, as we have to consider the depth of the market. So it's a very big range. So this is the range of the double bottom, double top. It has been confirmed here. Don't get lost in translation. This is the candle we are considering, nothing else. This is the shadow we are considering here. Okay, and also we are considering this guy. Okay, these are the two guys we are considering, nothing else, nothing, not this one, not this one, not at all. Let us change it to something so we identify it later if we go to lower time frame. So the market entered into this zone very clearly, tried to break this zone and retrace back, but it stayed within the below this black line, which confirms the break of structure. So where the market will go from here? To get that idea, I would like to show you something more details so you guys can understand how the market can go in coming week or next week. Let's move to day time frame. So that is why I was trying to fix this, guys. This is the guy responsible and this is the guy responsible. Okay, now if you go to day time frame, guys, can you see that we have a very beautiful pattern? This was our range, actual range. Okay, this guy and this guy, and this is the middle of that, and this is the middle of the whole range in monthly time frame. So don't get lost, be careful. So this is the middle of this and this, and now we have a new double bottom here in weekly time frame. And after making this double bottom, it went up and now it again came down. And if we analyze, we will find something here which created this thing to push it down. It failed on the top side, being bullish, and it came down. Now let's not concentrate what pushed it down. Let's concentrate where now, guys, be careful, see it very carefully. Okay, First of all, let me remove these things from the day time frame so I can analyze more easily here rather than putting these things in display. This is actually a shoulder, head, and shoulder pattern. Can you guys see? This is shoulder 1, this is shoulder 2, okay, and this is the head. There is no perfect head and shoulder pattern. Anywhere you will find that exactly it will work like these, these, and this. Rather, it works something like this. You can see that this is the shoulder we have, it is the head, and we have a shoulder again. So this is a head and shoulder pattern we have found here in the time frame. So what I want to do now is to see what we can do about it. So let me put it in black because that color is used for weekly time frame. I don't want to mess up with that. I want everything to be very clean in my chart so I don't get lost in translation, coming back here seeing the same chart. What happened? Why did I put the weekly circles here? Okay, so this is the head and shoulder pattern we have at the moment. Let me bring it in front, visual order, bring to front. Okay, this is the thing we have now. You can see it has broken the neckline. This is called the neckline of the thing, and it broke, it went down, it came back, we tested. So first of all, what I will do, I will measure the depth of the head and shoulder pattern, and the depth, the minimum depth we have here from here to here. Can you guys see? This is the depth. So if we move, it is 270 pips. So considering that, if we do it like this, it in my opinion it will move at least to this level. So you see guys, this 50% of this depth also match with our 50% of the total original weekly double top and double bottom. You can see here the 50% is almost aligned with that, and a little bit more could have been achieved, the original range of the monthly, this 50% of that. Anyhow, so my suggestion is to see what we can do about it. So if we put it in context like this and this, I think that is better, but I wanted it in black. Okay, so this is the thing will come something like this. So let's go to 4 hours to see. We have seen now, watching that it raised, and we have a very good green candle here who is trying to push the price above. However, you can see that this is the line we have drawn in weekly, where we clearly mentioned that, hold on, I want to do something here so other things doesn't create problem in my weekly chart, and so other thing doesn't create problem. So let's go to weekly now. Oh, here is it. Okay, it is okay. We have this in weekly. So I told you very clearly earlier that this is the change of character on the downside. It happened, and this was the change of break of structure has already happened. So this line is very powerful line right now. So my opinion, if we go today, we can see this is the break of structure, and this is the place where the change of character has happened already. Okay, this bearish momentum candle has successfully able to surpass this line, this shadow. Coming back to 4 hours now, we see that there is a retracement and it failed to break on the upside of this uh, break of structure area. Okay, so my suggestion, I will not, honestly speaking, I will not wait. I will open a trade here tomorrow, first thing in the morning, to go for. We have a red, then we have a green, then we will start with the red, I think. And this red will come at least to this area, to be honest with you. And it will make some test here. Hold on, let me draw it properly so things doesn't get messy. Okay, so if we minimize this, so initially my thoughts is like this: it will come here, retest this area, break this area, and it will at least come to 75% zone somewhere here. This is the zone, because I have to see if there is something on the left side which can be, yes, we have a 75% zone, you see guys. So there can be some price reaction from this area which made it bullish from here. So I'm expecting that something, hold on, let me make it big. I'm expecting that something will, a price reaction will happen here. Can you guys understand what I am saying, guys? And this is the place, and which also agree with our 75% of the total, this total depth of the head and shoulder pattern. So this is the place I'm expecting, and I want it to be more, giving more probability to be bearish than bullish this time. That's also, I will wait for opening the market, take the trade here, sell. And if someone asks me, do you want to see any reaction, the reaction has been done already. Even then, if you guys want to do something like this, let's put a conservative estimate here. If you want to do is go short at you can go short at if you say at right at the top of this, which is 136.38, so 1.3638, and go stop loss at 1.3658, and take profit one will be my this area 1.3498 or 1.35 to be very straight. 3498, yes, 35 will be my area, and take profit 2 will be my this area. This is the area I am expecting, so it will be a conservative 134.28, 1.3430. So that's it for the, on the flip side, if you think it, I don't think, I will not take a, if the stop loss hit, I will close it and I will wait. I will not go for long on this pair. Thank you very much, guys. See what happens, and do let me know any question or query you have, and I would love to share whatever I know about it. Make your own risk management. Don't put all eggs in a single basket. So please be careful. Take care. Bye bye.